Okay, YouTube, it's me again. Just wanted to know what was up. If you get this, well, it's just me. Looking for that Centurion droid for my Optimus Prime, and I'm looking over some other stuff. And if you do get this, like my videos, watch my channel. If you have time, sorry about the birds, they're in the background for a reason. Sorry if a lot of random shit's going on, but it's just very odd for once for me, but hey, it's a new time, new day and whatnot. Still didn't eat anything yet, but I do gotta eat something. Well, bye.